Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make chia pudding in 3 different ways. So for the first combination, I use orange juice, orange and chia seeds. Mix all the ingredients and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours, but you can also refrigerate it overnight. And you can garnish it with fresh mint, which I intended to do, but I forgot. Moving on to the second one, for this chia pudding, I used blackberries and blueberries, strawberries, vanilla bean, honey, milk, and chia seeds. Again, combine all the ingredients and mix it. For my last chia pudding, I used coconut milk, honey, chocolate, and of course, chia seeds. And there you have it. I would love to know how you like to eat your chia pudding. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.